unboxing our new Lenovo laptop. We have got it from the Lenovo store today, and we have got 2 free items, one bag and another combo of keyboard and mouse. So which one should we open first? Let's start off with this one, small one. So this is a wireless keyboard and there's a mouse for this mouse. Nice press.
How is it? Okay, next item.
So this is not a gaming mouse. This is a normal wireless mouse. So, yeah, it is useful while walking. I can actually take this one to office and keep my gaming mouse in the house.
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll come back to this later. Now for the main item.
So this is a Lenovo Legion Slim 5 model with Ryzen 7. And it has a 1 TB SSD and 16 GB RAM, and it has 4050 graphics card. So the amount that you will see in the Lenovo store or in the Lenovo website, with that we got a 10,000 rupees instant discount, which was with any credit card purchase which we did. And also you can apply for student discount. Now the keyboard and the mouse that you saw along with the bag, those were free items from the store. And now coming back to our Legion laptop.
This is like a hardcore device. It's not like Apple.
Shokeen Apple. Don't angry the Apple customers.
This is bad.
This is our Lenovo new laptop. This is where our videos are gonna get edited. This is where our Goa vlog is gonna get edited. Devodro, when is the Goa vlog coming?
Inshallah.
Of course. Anyway, charger,
See,
adapter and charger.
The good thing is these are not plastic. If you can see.
These days that is what all
These are not paper.
products have done.
Yeah, these are not plastics anymore. This is Ryzen 7000 series.
Oh, nice.
by pressing Windows plus Control plus Enter. For more accessibility features, press Windows plus U or select the app.
Now let's check the camera. Hello. Looks nice. Not bad. Okay.